What's up, everybody? So, good news is that I got my front lip kit in the mail yesterday. As you can see, it's in the back. It's glossy black, and I'm glad I actually fit it in there all the way down to the footrest area. And we're about to go to the mechanic. The guy I know, he's about to help me out on that. So, once I get there, we'll continue the video. Let's see how it looks. And the car is black anyway, so it's gonna look nice. Alright, stay tuned. What's up, everybody? So check this out. I installed a lip kit a couple days ago, but the mic wasn't working. So yeah, so right now, it rained overnight. But there you go. That's how it looks. It's perfectly flush, it's perfectly made. I really love it. The style is unique. Wifey loves it, so I said, you know what? That's the first time I heard something good from you. But there you go. So both are like this. It looks very aggressive. It's glossy black. And the other side is also flush, right with where the bumper ends. So it's perfectly made. And I think it's a nice mod. It looks great. Let's see, there you go, one in the middle. There you go. See that? It looks good. But if you guys want, just leave a comment below and I'll post a link from where I got it. Thanks for watching.